Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. The Loom video is not working for some reason, I don't know. So I'm recording this video once again. So yeah, I'll try to cover the requirement on this one. Okay, so for the first of all, you need to make the changes here, which are currently a fixed values as per your understanding. But I have for this particular entry, which is row number 16, I highlighted it in yellow so that we can find out. Okay, so for this one, the click limit between the click limits of 15 and 30 and 50, there is a certain change in the percentage. So these are not fixed values on the yellow rows, these are percentages. Similarly, for the ACOS, we have 50%, 50%. I have kept both of these to 50%. And so the summary is that I have made the changes in here, but not on these, all of these. So you can make the changes for all of the others. So I, just for the testing, I'm changing the percent fixed values from with the percentage sign, a value with a percentage sign, so that I can see the responses on the other sheet. Similarly, for the bid overrider, we have also made a slight changes in the percentages on this one here only, so that we can see the effect of these changes on the other sheet. So once these changes are being made for all the other calculations, this will work for those others as well. Now I'll show you the demo for that one. Let me go back to the AG515. Here it is. Here you can see it's 0.69 and 0.76, and this one 2.1.19. So these are the two which are lying on the ACOS limits, 512 and 513. So uh, okay, so this yellow one is reaching the limit of 23%. So we can see the effect here. Now I can run it. The iterative method was asked to make the changes from the fixed values to the percentages. You'll see it will clear everything on the column, the optimization bit, and then the other change where if the CPC, yeah, the CPC is always used instead of the maximum minimum of both of these. This change has also been implemented. So once the CPC is being reduced and the new bit is optimized, and when it will be pasted from used from column AG to the max bit, the bids column on the actual column, which need to be updated back into the Amazon here on this one. So if the CPC is reduced, then the minimum of the optimized bid and the original bid will be used. And the last change, you can see currently it's being changed. Okay, sorry. Let me go back to the AG515 so that we can see the effect. Here you can see now it's being changed to 1.04, which is 50% more than the 6.69, which because it's lying 23%, 23.7% ACOS, which is this one, and it's asking to upgrade the 50% of it. So you can see the change has been effected. So you can make the changes on all the other fixed values from the fixed values to percentage, and those percentages will be the responses will be affected in here. Now the last part of inputting the above header value from the comp sheets. So here we have a problem on the comp sheet. The product ID and the keyword IDs are not right, because you can see these are showing 8 times zeros, 9 times zeros, which is not the proper ID. So what I've done, I've made two changes in here to match these two IDs on this sheet, and pull the relative clicks and this and that. So you can see all of these entries are being presented because these are the matches from the comps sheet with the product ID and the keyword ID. So I have used these two IDs on the comps sheet so that I can match it, and I can pull the values from the desired impression, click through rate, spend, sales, ACOS, and all the relevant values. So that is it. So if you need to make sure that you are getting the right product ID and the keyword IDs in here, so that we can match and pull the value from here to the main sheet. So that's it from my side. Please update the values and you can run it on yourself. Thank you. Looking forward for your response.